Hello everyone and welcome. Today I'm going to walk you through the steps of making an envelope box kit from my Etsy shop. For the envelope base and the card, I use two 30-gram double-sided printed paper. For embellishments, I use 100 gram paper. And for postcards, I use 150 gram paper, which can also be folded to add thickness. I've already cut out all the pieces. I've applied double-sided tape and inked the edges with distress ink so the white edges won't show. I also folded along all the score lines. I'll start by attaching the front envelope base to the back envelope base. Then I'll add the side flaps. And finally attach the front part of the envelope together. And that's it, the envelope box is ready. Next, I'll add a wax seal to use as the closure. Of course, you can use other closure options too, such as ribbon ties or magnets. I'm using the wax seal here just because it's quick and easy. I'll attach a few postcards together as an example to show you. Most of the cards and postcards in this kit can be folded to give extra thickness if you'd like. And that's all, super easy. Now, I'd love to show you the embellishments included in the kit. All of these can be cut out along the frames I've designed for you. That's everything for today. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment. I'll be sure to answer. Bye!